this is Rachel and welcome to my channel. I'm a pet portrait artist. If you love my work, you can visit my shop at sunnypaws.com. Today's star is Akko Iroh, a lovely and adorable 3-year-old Shiba Inu. From the picture sent by the owner, you can tell that Akko Iroh loves rolling around and looks absolutely charming when sitting down so obediently. Now let's create a custom portrait for Akko Iroh.
切りがないループに使ってるのさ Oh, I ベランダに座ってぬるい缶ビールすすった街明かりで星は見えないや曖昧な未来でもう夢は見ていらんないね明日も早いのに眠れないや昔の恋人の SNS 覗いちゃって人恋しくなって酔った勢いで電話してるような大人になっちゃいけないぜってあの日の自分に言えたとこでこんなダサいやつの言うことは聞かないね現実をいつも一方通行でタイムマシンなんて役に立たないねベランダに座ってぬるい缶ビールすすった外で飲むのもいい加減寒いや明日もまた変わんない一日の終わりに乾杯空き缶がまた一つ増えたベランダに座ってぬるい缶ビールすすった街明かりで星は見えないや
Ta-da! A little magic track. I've also added a little stand for the fridge magnet frames, because some customers mentioned they'd love to place the frame on a table. Since the home printers can't capture the full vibrancy of the color and may fade over time, so I work with a professional print studio to ensure the quality and longevity of the artwork. They offer 2 printing materials, photo paper and canvas. Currently, I mainly use photo paper. Well, the custom portrait frame for Akko Iroh is all done. If you are interested, you can check out my shop at sunnypaws.com. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to follow my channel and join me in exploring the process of creating custom pet products. See you next time. Bye!